Imagine a world without the roar of a lion, a sound that echoes the majesty and power of nature, or the trumpeting of an elephant, a call that signifies the strength and unity of these gentle giants. Picture our forests silent, without the chatter of monkeys, whose playful antics bring life and energy to the trees, or the songs of colorful birds, whose melodies create a symphony of nature. This is the world we face if we don't act now to protect our wildlife. The loss of these voices would be a tragedy for our planet. Our planet is home to an incredible array of animals, each playing a vital role in nature's delicate balance. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, every species contributes to the web of life. Every creature has a part to play. They pollinate our plants, spread seeds, and keep ecosystems healthy. Without them, our world would be vastly different. Wildlife isn't just beautiful to look at, it's essential for our survival too. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat all depend on thriving wildlife populations. And the food we eat all depend on thriving wildlife populations. Our very existence is intertwined with theirs, but our wildlife is in danger. The threats they face are numerous and growing every day. Wildlife also plays a big role in our economy. Many communities rely on ecotourism for their livelihoods. People travel from all over the world to see animals in their natural habitats. Pollution is also taking a heavy toll on wildlife.
Section 4. Success Stories when conservation wins. Despite the challenges, there are many inspiring success stories in wildlife conservation. These show us that when we take action, we can make a real difference.
One famous example is the recovery of the giant panda. Thanks to dedicated conservation efforts in China, panda numbers have increased, and they're no longer considered endangered.
In Africa, mountain gorillas were once on the brink of extinction, but through protected areas and ecotourism, their population has grown. They're still endangered, but their future looks much brighter now.
Closer to home, the bald eagle, America's national symbol, has made a remarkable comeback. Once decimated by pesticides, it's now a common sight in many parts of the country.
Marine conservation has seen successes too.
Section 5. Everyday Heroes. How you can help save wildlife. In this chapter, we will explore various ways you can contribute to the preservation of our precious wildlife. You don't need to be a scientist or work for a conservation organization to help wildlife. Everyone has the power to make a positive impact.
There are many simple things we can all do in our daily lives that can make a big difference. Small changes in our habits can collectively lead to significant results. One of the easiest is to reduce our use of single-use plastics. This not only helps wildlife but also reduces pollution. Carry a reusable water bottle and shopping bags. These small steps can greatly reduce the amount of plastic waste we generate. Say no to plastic straws. Opt for alternatives like metal or bamboo straws. These small actions can help keep our oceans and waterways cleaner for marine life. Cleaner waters mean healthier ecosystems.
Another way to help is by making our gardens wildlife friendly. This can create safe spaces for various species. Plant native flowers to attract bees and butterflies. These pollinators are crucial for the health of our environment. Leave out water for birds and hedgehogs. Freshwater sources can be a lifeline during hot weather. If you have space, create a small pond. Ponds can support a variety of wildlife, from frogs to dragonflies. Even a tiny urban garden can become a haven for local wildlife. Every bit of green space counts.
And if you don't have a garden, you could volunteer for local conservation projects or support a wildlife charity. Your time and donations can make a huge difference in conservation efforts. Section 6. A call to action protecting our natural heritage. As we've seen, wildlife conservation is crucial for the health of our planet and our own well-being. The balance of ecosystems depends on the survival of various species, each playing a unique role. But it's not something we can leave to others. It's a responsibility we all share. Every individual action counts, and together we can make a significant impact.
Each of us has the power to make a difference, no matter how small it might seem. Simple actions like reducing waste, recycling, and conserving water can contribute to a healthier environment. Every action, from refusing a plastic bag to supporting a conservation charity, is a step towards a better future for wildlife. Volunteering for local conservation projects can also have a profound effect.
We need to see ourselves as part of nature, not separate from it. Our lives are intertwined with the natural world, and our survival depends on its health. The animals we share this planet with are not just resources or attractions, they're our fellow inhabitants of Earth. They enrich our lives and contribute to the planet's biodiversity. They have as much right to live and thrive as we do. Respecting their habitats and ensuring their survival is a moral duty.
By protecting them, we're also protecting ourselves and future generations. Our children and grandchildren deserve to experience the same natural wonders we do. We're preserving the rich tapestry of life that makes our planet so special. Each species adds to the beauty and complexity of our world.
It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the challenges facing wildlife, but remember the success stories we've talked about. These stories show that positive change is possible and that our efforts can lead to real, lasting improvements.